Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank you and Mainstream for the opportunity to speak here and represent my company, CG Power. What's going on? CG Power is a well-established company in energy solutions. We're a €4 billion company with manufacturing facilities worldwide. We have a presence in about 110 countries. CG, historically, our transformer division has been known. Powell's have been at the forefront of renewables in Europe for quite a while now. We're the market leader in liquid-filled transformers, turbine transformers in Europe. And last count, we had 8,000 turbine transformers installed, equaling 20 gigawatts. So we're quite established in the renewable energy sector. Our history of CG, and this might help with our exporting energy to the UK, is William Compton, one of the founder fathers of CG, was put the first electricity into Buckingham Palace, so that's something. And as regards transformers, we have a long history in transformers, and Gans, another transformer manufacturer in Hungary that was bought by CG in 2006, were the first manufacturers of a transformer in the world. We have about 8,000 employees worldwide in the CG group. We're grossing towards a €4 billion company, and although our expertise is in transformers, we also do other products in the infrastructure, in the energy infrastructure. Why I'm here is that, and I know a lot of you have been hearing about bringing industry to Ireland to build these projects. CG just want to let you know we're already here. And we've been here since 1977. We have an engineering manufacturing facility in Cavan. We employ over 475, this thing keeps jumping on, 475 direct employees in Cavan. I don't know what the indirect count is at this stage. The current capacity of the plant, based on the way we operate, is about 6,000 MVA. That's the same kind of MVA you would need to deliver Energy Bridge. So we have the capability in Ireland already. We turn over about €84 million per annum, and to the contribution to the local economy is just over €35 million. And when I mean local economy, I mean Ireland. Sorry, I just want to speak a bit more about Cavan, if you don't mind. The strengths we have in Ireland is CG. We have a full in-house design and manufacturing capability. We have major contracts with all the DNOs, the utilities in Ireland, UK and Europe, and as well as Enercon will be one of our biggest turbine or transformer purchasers for turbines in Europe. We have our own metal fabrication shop in Cavan, but we do outsource a lot of metal fabrication locally. We have a local skilled workforce, as I said, 36 years experience in the market. We have the leverage, of course, of CG worldwide, so although we think globally and operate as a global solutions provider, we operate quite locally, and we'd like to keep things local as possible, outsourcing and other support. As I said, CG in Ireland also operate, they're mainly a distribution manufacturing plant. We also operate as a hub for bringing power transformer, switchgear and other support systems into Ireland. So where does the potential have for CG for Energy Bridge? This is done, as some of our colleagues explained earlier, because we don't have the full details of the project, we have to do estimates. I was saying, as I said, 5 gigawatts would equate to 6,000 megawatts of distribution transformers. As I said, that's equivalent to the annual manufacturing capacity of Cavan. Over Energy Bridge will be over a few years. Again, we would estimate that this would contribute directly €35 million to the local economy just from extra manufacturing in Cavan. From importing power transformers and other support infrastructure, we would estimate, and this is a very conservative estimate, which is mainly just for delivery and erection, and that we would estimate about another €35 million. And then after sales and services and stuff like that, we couldn't even put a figure on it. The potential, like as Eddie, our colleague in ABB, said, the potential for after service there in this country, especially in this local area, is immense. But we have to upscale. What CG do is we manage the entire value chain. It doesn't mean that we have everybody there. CG's policy going into any large project, and we have been involved in major projects in Europe, the Bellwind project, where we built the offshore substation, and other projects like it, the Humber Gateway, that we're currently under construction. We work with local partners. We like doing partnerships because the people on the ground know it best. We've worked with many companies in the past, local, and I was glad to hear that Shea Murta was mentioned here just a few minutes before lunch. We currently work with Shea on actually manufacturing precast enclosure for our products, and we export them to France, so there's no problem that we can do it in Ireland. We, as I said, work with other partners. We've worked with Gaeltech Utilities, we work with Kirby Group and other Irish contractors. We like working locally in Ireland. And again, the potential for the supply chain or the local economy in Ireland is that they can support us in all these services as regards project management, project delivery, construction, testing, commissioning, system integration and field services. We provide the solution and support manage the solution, but we always work with local partners. I know a few people have been clutching at, knowing people or being from the area. My only claim, I'm from Cavan, as you probably guessed from my thick Cavan accent. I'm sorry for that if anyone doesn't understand me. My in-laws are from Edenderry, and I have to say, I spoke to them a bit about this project, and they're saying the general enthusiasm, there is enthusiasm in the locality for it. They see the benefits of it. They see their town being, the potential for their towns to be rejuvenated and reinvented. So I'd like to just finish on a note that I know we have local manufacturers already here, like I just said, for CG. There is other local manufacturers in this room. What you need to do is you need to think globally. Think you can compete with the best, because we know we can. We've been doing it for 36 years in Cavan. We compete in all markets across Europe. So it's possible. Okay, thank you.